subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Redmi 13C 4G back in November this year, the company has now launched the 5G version of it in India, with quite different design and specifications. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Redmi 13C 5G smartphone. The Redmi 13C 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 13C 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on MIUI 14 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is said to be dust and splash resistant. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168 by 78 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 13C has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 13,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 12th, in Starlight Black, Startrail Green, and Startrail Silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 13C 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.